What's up, YouTube? Don with the Don Front Show. And if you're new to me, I'm more of a no-nonsense approach to the stock market. I trade mostly technical analysis, breaking down charts, different levels at which I would like to buy. I like to wait for the trade to come to me. More importantly, I talk about what's going to happen tomorrow, not the past. I don't get on YouTube just to talk about what it did before. We all have the same charts. I like to talk about what's going on in the future. Last night's video was a little bit rushed. We're going to talk about that. But in today's video, I'm going to talk about Amazon and a 10-to-1 split. But first, in the split popularity, we had Apple announce it. That saw a pretty nice push, if you will. Saw some of that split hype. And then we kind of leveled out. Tesla, we got Tesla's split announcement. I did the video last night. It was all I could do to just make the words sound like English. I was so hyped about this company doing the split. We got a little bull flag action, so it'll be interesting to see, you know, are we off to the races once this breaks right here? Let's actually move this alert down. So while it's hype, while I think it's good news, it's definitely something I wanted to see. This will pertain to Amazon too. We still want to play the key levels. We don't want to get emotional. We had a tough time even breaking this lately. Actually, I closed most of my long position because we broke that zone to the downside, and then after hours we get the news. So I have a small long position. As far as I have a couple calls in there, I still have my shares though for the investment account. Those aren't going anywhere. I did add some on last night. Probably going to add a few on today. So we got the hype from them. Apple 4-to-1. Right, for every one share you have, you will have 4 shares, and a couple days later, Tesla, for every 1 share you have, you'll have 5 shares. What I want to talk to you about now is Amazon going to join the mix, huh? Does it finally make sense for Amazon to split? Among the giants, the tech giants, we'll have Amazon at the peak as far as price point, and then Google to follow. Google's kind of a turtle. We can touch on that real fast. Yeah, we're going. There's not much of that hype following Google, I don't think. It's doing pretty well. We got a full-blown recovery, some all-time high action, but we're still at 1,400. The $1,000 mark up here. It's not. I don't know. I just don't feel the hype. I feel like, right? Look, we almost hang out. We kind of just creep our way up. Amazon, where the hype is going to be at. We've had the massive run. We went from what, 1,600? Yeah, we've just been on a tear lately, and we all know, well, maybe you do or don't, Jeff Bezos and Elon, they kind of go at it. And now Elon joining the cool kids. Elon and Apple, the cool kids on the block. What's Bezos gonna do? Is he gonna get some of that hype? Does it make sense for him to do a 10-to-1? Bring that stock price down to about that 300 mark, and then we're all off to the races. Amazon, Apple, Tesla, right around the $300 mark. Who's gonna hit the 1K mark? Be completely irrelevant to everyone else. So technically, these are non-events, but Amazon, you guys have been following me for a while. You know, Amazon and Tesla, they've been starting to price themselves out to where if you want to buy options contracts in them, you are actually buying crap contracts, or B, you have capital. It's one of those two options. You're buying something good and you're paying to play, or you're buying some crap stuff and maybe you're getting lucky, or you're just losing a bunch. It's really a coin toss. So I wanted to get on here and think, I think the Amazon split's coming. I may be wrong. I don't usually give this kind of advice, but I'm thinking it's going to be a 10-to-1, and it's going to be soon. 5-to-1, we're still up there. A 10-to-1 brings us right to that $300 mark. That price point, a lot of people don't mind buying that. You hear often, all the time, I wish I would have bought Amazon. I wish I would have bought Tesla. And it's all when it's at that cheap price. Now you can. Hopefully you will be able to with Amazon. We've got the peak. We got it pushed up. We're really settling out here. Is it about time, once we hit this level, for a split? To get some of that hype and drive it up again. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I think this is my move. Or I think this is a... What do you call it? A prediction? I'm willing to bet this comes pretty quick. Maybe I'm crazy. What do you think? Let me know. If and when, and do you care if Google splits? I don't see the hype around Google, but maybe Google follows suit. And then we'd have all the things. We'd have what, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Tesla, all there at that bottom price point, or cheap price point. I don't know. Let me know, and I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys tonight. I'm going live at 7 o'clock Central Time. I go live. I'll break all these ETFs down, and I turn to the chat and break everything down for you guys. Remember, if I hit 10,000 subs before the end of August, we are hundreds away, and that's it. I am doing a giveaway. I'm giving away 100 mentorships. First off, to the people who click the join button, to the YouTube members. 100 of them are going to my YouTube mentorship, where I go live every night. But I will see you guys tonight.